Swapping lanes. Corvette by 2. Tiger Chevy on the outside. Ready, set, go. Okay, here we go. Greetings, everybody. Here we are, Lakeside Raceway, and it's me, Bobby D. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Gonna roll some Matchbox versus Funny Car to Race Team. Kmart exclusive, rolling on Kmart exclusive track. The Seamless Wonder is tuned in real sweet. So good. I got some retired cars that are gonna try out. Yep. For instance, oldie but a goodie. Yeah. It's rolling real well. So I got the Eggmobiles over here from 2003, 2004, 2003. Got the mid-90s Viper and the Kmart Special. So without further ado, let's crack them and take a look at them. First off, let's look at these eggs. I've always wondered about these eggs. And I know that one of them in one of the sets has a metal-based police car. That's how I was initially attracted to them. So let's weigh them all before we crack them. This one is gonna weigh 90.65, 90.77, 92.51. Okay. Baja wheels. Ugh. That won't roll for... Keep it clean, Bobby. Keep it clean. No way. God bless America. Well, that leaves a green one. He's got Baja wheels too. Well, these just suck. Where'd it go? There it is. Ice Cream Man. Ice cream truck. It's got good weight. 53. That fire truck over there. 6 axles. Man, I've been avoiding these wheels like a plague. Up and down, but no left and right. This one weighs 55. Yeah. Okay, well those 3 will roll against my golden wheeled Viper. Got one of these before, but it was defective. Here, tick, tick. Not the fronts, not the back. Screw it. Nice. Well, that's a lock. Speaking of locks, I ran this once before years ago. Just came across it in an antique store this past weekend, so the price was right. So I figured maybe that hot stuff will pan out. When I first met Nightmare, Hot Stuff was his number 1 or number 2. And he had this noodle head he called Secretariat. Well, these are glued down. Okay. So, Firebird Funny Car. Red Hearst. That front is dry. Wheels are round. This is that. I think it's a Corvette. Front's not good. Backs are sweet. More bumblebees in the front. Okay, so what's this one? Another Firebird. Bad Bird. His fronts are a little better. His wheels are very round. Okay. Wobbly. Will never be elite. Rats. Well, there's these four. Good thing I got some good racing coming up out of the boot. So let's rack them and roll them. Let's go. Matchbox ice cream truck. Mystery cars in the gate. Look at those knobbies. Let's hear them roar. 2067. Okay, so this was a gap. So we'll roll him against the fire truck. Man, what a racket. Okay. Swapping lanes for the ice cream truck. Ready, set, go. Oh, hey. Ice cream truck falls to the fire truck. Fire truck on the outside, Viper on the inside. Ready, set, go. Well, this fire truck's moving out. Swapping lanes just because. Ready, set, go. Viper's right there with it. 2008. He might take some goodies. Cars are in the gates. Hearst Olds. No, that's not an Olds. It's a Pontiac. On the outside. Hearst Pontiac? What kind of crap is that? Hot Stuff on the inside. Ready, set, go. Hot Stuff with a 78. Pontiac on the inside, Chevy on the outside. Ready, set, go. Oh, that was really tight. 61 to 64. Whoa. Bad Bird with a 61 goes to the outside. Ready, set, go. 63 to 66. A little more like it. It's like a Swapping lanes rubber match. Ready, set, go. 56. Whoa. That was a 4-point spread. We're going to roll it again. See if we can do it. Ready, set, go. Wins the race. What do you get? 58. Yes. So, take this one first. Peacock's a gatekeeper. Team Hot Wheels on the outside. Trying out for the wheel. Ready, set, go. Beats the Peacock by 2 clicks. 59. Swapping lanes. Chevy with the advantage, 2 clicks. All I did was put a little dust on the front axles of all the funny cars. Ready, set, go. Up, takes her on this side also. 60. Yes. Team Hot Wheels, Corvette Funny, new gatekeeper. Couldn't take the Orca. Fastback goes on the outside. Bad Bird on the inside. Ready, set. Couldn't do it. 70. Whoa, choke. Swapping lanes, fastback with a 60. 1960. Ready, set, go. Man, it was right there with it. 56 to 58. That's 2 clicks. That means Orca goes there, and these two are battling it out for gatekeeper. Okay, they're straight. To 63. Corvette by 2. Swapping lanes. Corvette by 2. Pontiac by 3. So it's a winner. Okay, that's the end of the rips. New gatekeeper. Peacock is number 2. Chevy's number 1. Let's get a time on these guys. There's a pair. Ferrari versus Maserati. Those Tomicas are small though. Small scale. Not as fast as that Ferrari. Ferrari clocks a 57. Miles with a 62. Ferrari with a 57. Miles gets past. 61 to 66. Time to get a time. Yeah. 56. Way too fast on the outside. Work on the inside. For the wheel. Ready, set, go! Oh, way too fast by 3. Way too fast by 3. Goes to the inside. Ready, set. Orca punches back by 3. Swapping lanes, rubber match. Ready, set, go. 6, 5, 3. 56 moves to the inside. I believe that's the fastest elapsed time. 57 doesn't beat it. 2 clicks. Okay, way too fast it is. Way too fast goes there. Brad comes out. That's not Brad. I want to call him Brad. Goes like that. Okay, now it's time to get in the boot. Yeah. Tiger Chevy on the outside. Ready, set, go. Gappus. Skipped. I heard it skip. 33 goes back there. 47. Got a 47 on the outside. I'll take it away from him. Ready, set. Oh, gap is 45. Banana's next. Ready, set, go. Banana with the edge. Bad line. Banana with a 47 goes to the outside. Ready, set, go. Okay, 47 to 44. That's where I'm going to put him. Let's just see what time Orca is running. He's not even the Gatekeeper anymore. I think he's number 1 in the plastic boot. Ready, set, go. Okay. Okay, that time was a 59. Okay. Ready, set, go. All right, Ferrari. Next one down is Mr. T. Go. Oh, Mr. T. Yes. Ferrari just rolled a 62 on the outside. What was a 60? Oh, but that's a 57. So, Ferrari is number 1-ish. Believe Way Too Fast is the Gatekeeper currently. All right, do classics from my way back. All right, Mr. T. 2 clicks. It's Mr. T in the wheel. Way Too Fast goes over here. Mr. T is going to take on Dodge. Cola Bomb. Ready, set, go. Cola Bomb. 55 to 60. Batmobile. Wide body. Ready, set, go. Oh, Batmobile with a 50. Means we have to come over here. 50, 50, 50. Let's try him against Red. Where do you get it? I got it on the outside. Oh, Batmobile. Ooh, right there. That was close. 47 to 40. Swapping lanes, 2 clicks difference. 300 with a 47. 4 clicks difference. That's Batmobile is in. waiting for this one. Okay. Come on, Dagger. Oh, we got smoke. 55. He's going to roll against Johnny Benson. Halfway up the outer wheel. Ready, set, go. Oh, Johnny Benson passes him. That was sweet. Johnny Benson by 6 goes to the outside. Dagger just got a chef's kiss. Go. Yeah, smoked him with a 47. Dagger is back. Moves to the outside with a 47. Ready, set, go. Oh man. Dagger doesn't like that outside lane. What's going on? Benzoil moves to the outside with a 4-click advantage on the last run. But Dagger has the best elapsed time. Like that, 47. Dagger likes the inside. Not quite sure. Oh, I see it hooks to the right at the end. Yep, Trixie with swapping lanes. Trixie by 3. Straighten out the track a little. Ready, set, go. Whoa. 48. So I extended this card out about this far. It's shooting this bitch. Watch this. Ready, set, go. Yeah. What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? 43. So I'm going to give him Trixie's slot. See what it does against Chip. Ooh, 41. Whoa. 41 says Chip's going after Richard. Go. .46 to 48. That's Chip by 2. Ready, set, go. Chip falls by 6. Try that once more. 40. Okay, never mind. Last card in the first row is a yellow D150. Can't do it. 2 clicks back. Swapping lanes. Dodge down by 2. Ready, set, go. Dodge smokes by 10. Whoa. Okay, that's that. Junk removals. Turbo is going to be replaced by Double D next week or so. Just picked him up today. So I pulled him out. Bonus. Let's go over here to the wheel. Oh, the wheel is round. The wheel is tighter. The wheel is faster than it was last week. Go. 1, 2. Where's the other one? Batman's down here. There goes 1, 2, 3. All inner wheel. 3 thumbs up for inner wheel. And on that note, peace, love, health. God bless each and every one of you. I hope to see you again next week, because this is what I do on Saturday nights. And everything is getting faster. So, thumbs up. And if you haven't by now, please float me a subscription. That'd be super groovy. I hope to see you again next week. So saying that, I'll say good night, everybody. Das Vidania. kind of got replaced by the Snow Patrol. I really like this one. Those white wheels are sick. So we'll put Snow Patrol right here. The fire department over there. Ready, set, go. Oh, yellow one significantly 52. Well, that was a gap. So he's out. Well, we could just put him back there because 52. This is going to be close. Ready, set. Oh, van. 53 to 56. Van just rolled a 53 on the outside. Oh, whoopin'. Roll that again. I think the van got a bad start. See, just like that. 2 clicks. Just to find out for sure. Bam! Just like that. 48. For Gatekeeper. I'm going to let it go after this. Got to wrap it up. Oh, cabbage. Swapping lanes. Carter just got a chef's kiss. 52 to 56. That's 4. That's it.